So in today's video, we are going to be doing something that I've been meaning to do for quite a while now, and that is trying out Zendaya's curly hair routine on my wavy hair. Now, I would say that my hair type and Zendaya's are quite different. Mine is more wavy and looser, whereas hers is much curlier and the curls start at the root, whereas my hair tends to start lower down. Something that I do love about Zendaya's routine when watching it is that it was very quick and hassle-free, very simple. So yeah, I've been loving simplifying my hair routine lately. I'm expecting very loose waves today. I'm not expecting it to hold very well just because of the products that I'm using, but I don't care. I've been kind of digging the carefree look lately. So I'm going to go and shampoo and condition my hair, and then I shall be back to do the styling portion of today's video. So first of all, I shampooed and conditioned my hair. I just used the brand called Merwave today, which is a UK brand. When I was done washing my hair, I just loosely put a towel on it and then came back and got straight in front of the camera. I took the towel off, and in the video I feel like Zendaya's hair wasn't soaking wet, but it wasn't damp. I feel like it was like a nice level of wet, so I did want to be quick. Unfortunately, because I washed my hair upside down, doing the switch from upside down to right side up creates a ton of knots in my hair. I was having a hard time detangling, so I did decide to add some of the bounce curl cream at this point, and I did try to detangle with the comb, but it wasn't happening, so I did unfortunately have to go and grab my brush. I find it easier to detangle with this just because it's more flexible, and because I just used it in the shower, the brush was soaking wet, so that helped add some water back into my hair, which kind of helps with detangling a little bit. I did try and go back over it with the comb, but my hair was too knotted, so I went back to the brush again. That's a step that I unfortunately had to tweak to suit my hair. I then applied a generous amount of the bounce curl gel to my hair, and I feel like this gel adds a lot of slip, and I almost wanted to go in with the brush or the comb again at this point to brush it through my hair, but Zendaya didn't do that, so I decided not to do that. I just kind of worked it through my hair, and Zendaya also didn't do any scrunching with her hands. It seems she just went straight to the towel, so that's what I did. It did feel a little bit alien to me, but I could see my waves starting to appear, and I'm really curious how this little change in the routine is gonna make my hair turn out, because I usually do a lot of scrunching. Here's how it's looking so far. At the moment, my waves are looking kind of stringy in places. They're looking loose, but obviously they're wet. It's being weighed down by the water. I do feel like I might have some nice volume with today's routine. I'm just really excited to see how this turns out. And this was super quick and easy to do, so I'm kind of hoping it works, because this could become my new go-to routine if I like it. You know that usually I put my hair up in a towel anywhere from 10 to 45 minutes or so. Just kind of give the products time to work into my hair, to remove the weight of my hair, to kind of dampen my hair a little bit more so diffusing doesn't take as long. But Zendaya doesn't do that, so I am going to go straight into diffusing today. Wish me luck, pray for me, because this could take a while. And I don't know if I have the right mindset to go into diffusing right now. I just got done diffusing, and this is how my hair is looking so far. Not too bad, considering I did my hair in a bit of a rush. I do have like the tiniest bit of a cast, so just like Zendaya did, I am going to scrunch it and fluff it, and that'll be the end of this very quick wash day. I am kind of in shock with my results today. Okay, so first of all, was not expecting this much definition definition. My hair is a little bit stringy in places, but I feel like that kind of helps my hair to have more definition. I do feel like though that the definition is dropping quickly, and that's because I used a light hold gel, but I'm very curious to try this routine with a stronger gel and seeing how it lasts, because when I first scrunched out my hair looked gorgeous. I feel like I have some nice volume going on, and I feel like I got really great results for minimal effort, which is everything that I could have asked for and more. I also was expecting diffusing to take longer than usual, but actually it was much quicker. But yeah, I feel like my results are very similar to when I take my time and do like a very intricate long routine on my wavy hair. The results are very similar, and this, I mean, washing my hair and styling it took less than 10 minutes. Diffusing it took about 20, so I mean 30 minutes to do my hair compared to usually when I take an hour, sometimes more. So I'm really happy with my hair today. So happy. I will definitely be trying this routine more. You'll probably see it in future videos when I'm trying out other products. I'm definitely gonna keep giving this routine a go. Let me know if you would like another video on this routine using a stronger hold gel, and I will definitely make that for you because I'm really curious myself. Let me know in the comments if you have tried Zendaya's routine, or if you do a routine similar to this, or if you've made any changes. Do let me know. And now that my hair has put me in such a great mood, I'm gonna go to the supermarket so people can appreciate this minimal effort hair today. Here is some more content from me that I think you might enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye!